Right now, there are people making money online every single day without writing content themselves, without recording videos, and without even talking to clients. And the crazy part? Most of them are using the exact same tools you already have access to. Just a few years ago, building something that could generate income automatically required a full team: developers, designers, marketers, editors. Today, artificial intelligence replaced most of that. One person, with the right tools, can now build systems that work 24/7. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 AI tools that people are using to generate $1,000 a month or more, sometimes completely on autopilot. And no, this isn't some unrealistic get-rich-quick idea. These are real tools, used by creators, freelancers, and digital entrepreneurs every single day. But make sure you stick around until the end, because tool number 7 is the one that could completely change how online businesses work in the next few years. We are living in a moment that is very similar to the early days of the internet, or the early days of social media. I can edit videos. But most people are using it completely wrong. Most people use it to ask questions or write small pieces of content. But smart creators are using it to build entire digital products. For example, with ChatGPT, you can create ebooks, online courses, guides, digital templates, Notion systems, and newsletters. Let us say you create a simple guide called 30 Ways to Make Money with AI in 2026. If the guide sells for $20, you only need 50 sales per month to make $1,000. And the best part? You create the product once, but it can sell forever. Next up, AI tool number 2 is Midjourney. For selling AI art, this AI can generate stunning images in seconds. And there's an entire online market built around selling this type of content. People are creating posters, wallpapers, digital art, book covers, t-shirt designs, and printable wall decor. Here's a simple example. You create a pack of 100 aesthetic phone wallpapers. It takes about 30 minutes using AI. Then, you sell the pack for $10. If you sell 100 packs a month, that's $1,000 per month from something you created one time. And because digital downloads are automated, the platform handles the delivery for you. AI tool number 3 is one of the most powerful AI tools available right now. 11 Labs for AI voiceovers. This platform can generate extremely realistic AI voices, and that opens up a lot of opportunities. For example, you can create YouTube narrations, audiobooks, podcast episodes, voiceovers for ads, and storytelling channels. One of the fastest growing trends right now is faceless YouTube channels. Here's how it works. Step 1. AI writes the script. Step 2. 11 Labs generates the voice. Step 3. AI tools generate the visuals. And suddenly you have a full YouTube video without ever recording yourself. Once the channel grows, it can make money through ads, sponsors, and affiliate marketing. Some faceless channels are generating thousands of dollars per month using this exact system. Now for our fourth tool, Pictory, which turns text into videos. Pictory takes written content and instantly turns it into videos. This is extremely powerful because video content dominates every platform today. You can use Pictory to create YouTube videos, TikTok content, Instagram Reels, educational videos, and short documentaries. For example, imagine creating a YouTube channel about history, psychology, business, technology, or strange facts. You write a short script, and Pictory automatically generates visuals, subtitles, and video clips. Then you upload it to YouTube. Once your videos start getting views, the content can generate money through ad revenue, affiliate links, and digital products. And again, most of the work can be automated with AI. AI tool number 5 is Durable, for creating websites in 60 seconds. This tool can generate a fully functional business website in less than a minute. Just type the type of business. For example, landscaping business in Miami. And the AI generates the homepage, services, images, copywriting, and contact forms. Now, here's where the opportunity comes in. Millions of small businesses still don't have websites. Freelancers charge anywhere between $300 and $2,000 for simple sites. But with AI, you can create them in minutes. That means you could realistically build multiple websites in a single day. Just a few clients per month could easily cross that $1,000 mark. Coming in at number 6 is Jasper, an expert in AI marketing copy. Jasper specializes in writing, marketing, and sales copy. This includes ads, product descriptions, email marketing campaigns, landing pages, and social media posts. Businesses constantly need this type of content. And many entrepreneurs simply don't know how to write persuasive copy, so they outsource it. Using Jasper, you can deliver high-quality marketing copy much faster. Some freelancers charge $100 for product descriptions, $300 for email sequences, and $500 or more for landing pages. With AI helping you produce the content faster, you can serve more clients and scale your income. Now let's talk about the most powerful concept on this list. AI tool number 7 is AI agents, the future of automation. We're talking content, websites, YouTube channels, affiliate marketing sites, and automated e-commerce stores. AI is just the engine. The real opportunity is using these tools to build assets like YouTube channels, digital products, automated stores, content websites, and AI-powered services. Because once those assets exist, they can keep generating income over and over again. While most people are using AI for entertainment, a small group of people is quietly using it to build automated income machines. So the real question is this: 1 year from now, do you want to be someone who uses AI casually or someone who builds with it? Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more insights on building with AI.